Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy to see you here today.
And I'm Paul, and I'm happy too, because today's topic is very special. We're talking about how to prepare your mind to learn English. This is something every beginner needs.
You know, Paul, many students tell me, I want to learn English, but my mind feels tired or stressed.
Oh yes, I hear that too. And sometimes I feel the same when I start something new.
Same here. It's normal. Our mind needs a warm up, just like our body.
Exactly. If you start learning with stress, it becomes harder. But if you start calm and positive, everything feels easier.
So let's share a simple technique. First tip, clear your mind for 1 minute. Sit, breathe slowly, and tell yourself, I can learn.
That's true. A relaxed mind learns faster. And here's another tip. Make your environment friendly. A clean table, a notebook, a cup of tea. Small things can change your mood.
Yes. And here's something important. Focus on progress, not perfection. Many learners think they must speak perfectly from day one.
But nobody speaks perfectly at the start. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Exactly. Your goal is to be better than yesterday, not perfect today.
I love that. And one more tip. Talk to yourself in English. Just simple sentences. I am learning. I feel good. I can improve.
This builds confidence and trains your mind to think in English.
So the real secret is not only learning English, but preparing your mind with positivity.
Yes, a peaceful mind learns faster, remembers more, and grows stronger.
Start small, stay calm, and keep believing in your journey.
You are stronger than you think. Keep going. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.